Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today we got a special video for you. There's a young man named Merrick. He's 2 years old and he has brain cancer. Now Merrick loves exotic cars, supercars, whatever you want to call them, sports cars. So we rounded up the troops and we're heading over to meet up with Merrick and give him a special day that, you know, he can, I'm going to get it on video. Hopefully he can pull up this video whenever he's feeling well, if he has treatment. You know, and just share what we, this supercar world, sports car world that we all love so much. It's the least we can do, you know. We're very fortunate, and, you know, for such a young kid to be, you know, dealing with such issues, of course I wasn't going to overdo it. So saddle up, come along for the ride, and come meet Merrick, and let's have a good one. All right, we'll see you when we get over there. All right, guys, so we're pulling in right now. And we'll see if we can locate the little entourage here. He didn't tell me exactly where. Everyone was gonna meet. Maybe it's on the other side. Yeah, so I look forward to meeting Merrick, and yeah, I don't see anybody. What's going on here? I think that's them. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is them. Yeah, there's James right there from Supercar World TV. I don't know what he did with that channel. It was a great channel. It was like first class production. All right, let me shut this thing off. I'll confirm that I can film, and we'll turn it back on in a minute.
He's like, I'll give you some candid shots.
Guys, you cute.
Yay!
Look at you. You look fast just sitting in that
he
car.
saw himself in the mirror.
Oh, it's all over now.
Check himself out.
Future Brad Pitt.
Oh, I hear another one.
Oh, wow. Did you hear that?
You want to go in another car? Oh, it's in the trunk.
Yeah.
Oh, that? All right, that one's turn. What color is that? No, try again. No, not red. Oh, you hear the engine.
Yeah.
What do you think it is? What is it? Oh my gosh, what is that? It's like I've never seen such a thing. Try this car.
That is so
Check
funny.
this car out. Oh, it's hot? Just stand there. He's like, no. Whoa! He's like, wait, what was that? Is it hot?
Yeah, I bet that black interior is hot.
Oh my god.
What is that monster? What is that?
That's an F650.
F650?
Yes.
I don't think I've ever seen that before. Look at that thing smoking.
Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the head or something.
You think? What a beast, though.
Right now.
How we get doing? Good. How's it going?
Just kind of surprised he hasn't
F650. That is an actual F650. Okay. I was like, did he modify something?
You can do anything if you want to pay. That's all it takes, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
All it takes is this right here. You make it all happen. This thing is really cool.
Hey, buddy.
Can you say hi? Merrick, go ahead. Say that thing was loud. Can you say hi? Hi. High five? High five? Oh, he wants a dog. You want to pet the dog? Be gentle.
Bye, Lou.
This is when I was supposed to come in.
How are you? This is awesome. Merrick, it's like windy.
This thing's crazy. What is this, like that gorilla bedliner stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got vinyl interior. Then they send it out and they put this
a good
on
picture
it.
in front of
That
this
was the old
tire.
opening for the gas tank from the factory. So that's what they do.
Merrick, whoa.
That's crazy.
Try to open it.
I bet it took a while to get this thing together.
Let me take a picture of you.
He's like, watch this.
You want to go in it?
Yeah.
You want to
Want me
go
to pick
inside
up?
there?
Yeah, you can.
Oh yeah, go ahead. You don't want to go inside?
No.
I didn't put you up there? Come on.
It's kind of scary. Kind of. I don't know if I want to get up in there either.
No? Come on. Look at it. Wow. Look at that thing.
Woo, look at you way up there.
Oh, yeah.
He's the reason why this is hard. Oh, that's not Winnie. It looks like Winnie, though.
Merrick, can you wave at
Mini
me?
version of Winnie. Merrick!
Catch him full
Say hi.
So cute. He wants to shut the door.
You trying to scare me? Yeah. Here, you want me to close the door? Wow.
We'll go see it. Wow, this is a cool fire truck, guys. Maybe you can sit on it and get a picture taken. I want to get in this car.
You do? I don't know who has that car.
Want to stand up there?
Here, I got you. Hold it. Get out of the picture. Are you happy?
So cute. On your way?
Are you loving that? Just loving it.
Want to go race? Are you going to be careful? Yeah.
You want Daddy to get you?
Oh, here comes all the Lambos. Dude, that's sick. I love that car.
Sometimes a little shade will help it. Oh, yeah, you got a few more months before it becomes easy.
I know. Look at this guy. Looks like a sort of like I own that Corvette over there, the blue one. You want to see it?
That's when he wants to go in.
Okay, let's go check it out. Oh, you're the one who loves the exotic cars, huh?
We want to go inside too.
You can go inside.
And another Lamborghini has a
I know. Look at that.
that one. Wait.
That's next, right?
No, that's his Corvette.
Yeah, but that's
Isn't this
Lamborghini. Can I get in it?
You can get in it. Sure can. What's your name?
Gavin.
Gavin. All right. Go ahead.
I like the interior. I want to go into
Hunter, one at
Yeah, one at a time.
boys. No shoes on the seats.
Oh,
Come on, guys. No. Okay.
Wow.
Can you turn it on?
You can. They can't do anything because the seat belts have to be buckled in to put it in gear, so they'll be fine.
Okay.
You got. Hey, Gavin, you got to press on the brake pedal. That's that one on the left. I'll see if I can get it. Hold on. And then you start it. You see that button right there? Push it. Whoa. Here you go.
Wow. No new car's gonna sound like that.
Yeah, I wouldn't let them do it. They can't put it into gear unless this is clicked in. So.
Hey guys, look at me. Hey.
Yeah. What do you think? Can you see yourself in this? Driving down the road? Yeah. Look. What?
You have to close the door.
Want to close the door?
Yeah.
All right. They can't put it in gear, so they'll be all right. There you go. He knows what to do. Good job.
Don't you like it? Did you wish you were in Yeah.
Yeah, I like that stealthy look, you know.
Yeah. Like a metallic feel on it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not that disabled. Like,
Here, you want to sit with mommy? Put your feet on the mat. That's right. Put your shoes down. Watch your shoes. Watch out for your hands, fingers. No, no, no. Where you going, Merrick? What time now?
He's overwhelmed.
Yeah.
So cute, though.
And that which go down? Down on the floor. You're so cool, aren't you?
The event door is a V12, so that's.
Are these all very expensive?
I don't know.
No more.
Can I get here again?
I don't think we can get in the cars anymore, guys. I think they're got to cool down.
Mom's laying down the law.
Because on these particular handles, you can get pinched.
And that door weighs 100 pounds.
Yeah, it does.
Old school.
Bonk you in the head, right? Here we go.
He backed up.
This thing's clean.
Yeah, this is nice. My dad had a 69 Camaro.
I've got a 69.
It was supposed to be mine. He got rid of it. I'm so mad at him about it. My whole life. I almost hurt so bad.
All right, guys, look at me. Everybody wave.
And then I got older, and then I got pregnant. Yeah.
I don't think anybody's had that.
can't get it all.
Yeah.
You go in this one?
I don't know whose it is, but
Yeah, it's mine. Go ahead.
that is yours. Oh, okay,
Absolutely.
I'd say yes, but it's not mine.
That's the right answer for
You
today.
want to sit on my lap or you want to sit on
This is the one that I would be driving. If I had to pick.
Yeah,
I already
love
know
it.
Gavin's
I
gonna
could
ask
totally
me
see
later,
it.
Mommy, which car would you want?
You sit here. I'm going to get in the other seat.
Well, at least you got the right answer. Oh.
I mean, I would take any of them. I got to choose.
Do you want me to turn on the AC, like roll the window up and everything, or?
Oh, there's no back seat in this car.
No, this is
Here,
two
you sit
seats.
right here, Cole. You want to sit down? Go ahead.
all blues
We
are
got a
not
young
created
driver
equal.
here. And I want him
Let me get sit down. Sit down. Yes.
obviously a lot more.
Yeah, let me get a picture of you.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, bang for a buck.
I know they've driven their heads so while they're.
Especially when you're first
Oh,
oil
that's
change
just
comes out
peppermint.
to
Sorry.
$2,200.
Yeah, just peppermint.
They're
I'm gonna try to turn this car back.
4 shot 11 turbo.
I feel like I would like.
Can we go back now?
Basically expect you to like.
My detail guy's gonna be like, what did you do to this thing?
It's like this has got more use than that.
It-
Like you had a decide.
Did you have a midget running around your car?
Two of them.
9? 79?
One out? Sure? Okay. So it's got a 6-point.
All right, so we just left the little get together for Merrick. It was good. We had my buddy James. He has a friend, I guess, in the fire department. Showed up with a fire truck. Had all kinds of cars: Lambos, Ferraris, Porsches. Of course, this. What else? Oh yeah, you'll see it on the video. This guy showed up in a Ford 650 or whatever. This thing was crazy huge. Yeah, that was about it. Good turnout. Kid was adorable, and there was actually a whole pack of little kids, and they were just loving the cars, man. They didn't care if it was a old Trans Am or there was a Lambo SV. It didn't matter. They loved it. So yeah, thanks for coming along for the ride, everyone, and we wish the best for Merrick always, and we'll keep in touch. I'm sending his mom the video via email. She requested that, so we'll be in touch with them and give you any updates. But that's about it for today. It's a wrap. We will catch you on the next one. Peace.